Hello, everybody. Welcome back to. Oops, wrong button.
Feels good. Terrific.
So I think we gotta come back here one more time. That mission is same. I think that's what it's telling us.
I hope Ratchet's staying out of trouble.
Whoa! Is it just me? Or are there more of those things now?
I fear the dimensional cataclysm is getting worse.
Well, the sooner we find Pierre, the sooner we can get to fixing all of this. Somehow.
We will find a way. Like always.
What a tune! In unrelated news, our door must be closed today for a private event. The execution of Pierre Lefebvre. All trespassers shall be shot and or stabbed on sight. And remember Article 4 of the Pirate Code. Never blow up your own bloomin' ship.
Of course, our only lead to finding Captain Quantum is about to be executed.
Perhaps someone else can tell us where he is.
Let's do the treasure hunt.
Ah, 'tis a fine night for an execution.
Raven, wait!
Hi! Could we please speak with Captain Quantum?
Oops.
Of course, our only lead to finding Captain Quantum is about to be executed.
Perhaps someone else can tell us where he is.
A little snacking for
Shots fired!
What was that?
Keep moving, please.
Hey, buddy. When all this is over, will you help me find the Lombaxes?
Of course, Ratchet. You changed your mind?
Maybe. I don't know. Before today, I thought the Dimensionator could only bring me trouble. But without it, we would have never met Rivet or Kit. I think that means something.
Nothing but...
Have you heard these?
Okay. Hello.
You need more than ice, Spartan! Dead Lombax!
Please let that be all the critters.
pup. He helped release me. I shall give ye this nice succulent bone.
So what's our execution like? 'Tis my first one today. You ahoy! All hands, make the killing!
We've got a barrel! We be quick! We can still make the execution!
We always need bubbles! Oh! What's happening?
The dimensional cataclysm is getting worse.
Great! Rift goons! Just what we needed!
This is for yoink and my surf!
We are not done yet. Another rift is opening up.
Do not let him leave! No! Hold fast, matey! He cannot take it all! This way!
Okay, was that all the pirates on this planet? 'Cause it sure felt like it.
Oh, we are never that lucky.
There! Pierre, straight ahead!
Not so fast, ye meddling trespasser! Not so fast, ye meddling trespasser!
And I'll never go swimming again.
Damn now! That ship had to go boom on Molonoth! One could even say it destroyed itself! Oh, bubbles! If anyone wanted to save moi, now would be...
Intruders! You can't stop the swift arm of justice, you...
That's little robot in here!
I'm not hurt! We're rescuing you?
Raining, but... Why?
We need your help to speak to Captain Quantum. He's in grave...
Okay, whatever! I will help! Just get me away from this beaten calamari!
I'm not hurt! We're rescuing you?
Raining, but...
We need your help to speak to Captain Quantum. He's in grave...
Okay, whatever! I will help! pirates flying in.
On it. Thanks, pal.
Merci! Now swing me onto the dock and get me away from this beast! Normally I would not have enemies, but they saved my life, and I am Pierre Lefer, gentleman extraordinaire! If you want an audience with Captain Quantum, you must complete the pirate trials.
What are those?
A tradition as old as grog, and how all pirates earn their colors. Head to Skull Mountain. If you complete the trials there, you will find the captain. That is not the way to Skull Mountain. The pirate
Hold up. So
Stop those before they reach the bar!
Ratchet stopped our execution!
They stole it from Molotov with it!
Man, that booty must be pretty spectacular if there are this many pirates guarding it.
Your booties are!
That booty must be pretty spectacular if there are this many pirates guarding it.
Pirates
I'm not seeing any booty here.
Perhaps there is something we are missing.
Need me a new pair.
How did they get past them?
I think there's a trophy title or treasure, I can't remember.
Ha! Now that booty chest is all ours. Ha. A map-o-matic? Sweet. Hey, there's a teleporter.
No, apparently not.
That is not the way to Skull Mountain, but I did see the pirate stuff. Shiny to the bar earlier. Till we meet again.
The air is quite fishy. I am not sure I trust him.
Me neither, but he's our best shot at finding Captain Quantum. We just need to get through these trials.
You know what? I'm going to end it here. I want to try to get through the trials all in one go. So, thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.